Middle crossover green. Let's check it out. Man, this is a really faded CSX unit. Conrail, look at that. You don't see them like that too often. You guys can see him crossing over down there. There's that car again. I just saw this one heading south about a day or two ago. I've seen this car multiple times already. DPU, all right. Bunch of fresh power poles here. That's an old boxcar right there. Lake Erie. Awesome. boxcars. That rounds up the end right there. Some awesome stuff on that train. It wasn't very, very long, but some awesome stuff on that train. Heading northbound. He's crossing over because there's a parked train down there. I'm not quite sure if that train is going to get a move on it or not. Actually, let's step up across the brush here, as they did shave it a little bit. Was that yesterday they shaved that brush? I had an update on 38. There's the car traffic going across down that Price Road crossing. But I'm gonna head back south and see what's going on down there.